I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Vivo runs a modern Android build and that you can unlock the phone. This is required to reveal saved Wi-Fi secrets. Once unlocked, open Settings, go to Wi-Fi and Network, then Wi-Fi. Make sure you tap Saved Networks to find the specific SSID you want. You do this now because newer Vivo builds include a share or QR option tied to secure authentication. Make sure the network is listed and selected before moving to the next step. Once the SSID is open, tap Share or the QR icon. Vivo prompts you to authenticate with your PIN or fingerprint. This protects passwords. After verification, you'll see a QR code and sometimes the plain text password. Scan that QR with another phone or read the password aloud and type it where needed. If your Vivo lacks the share option, understand why. Only rooted devices can access system files like WPA supplicant. If you lack root, avoid risky hacks and proceed to finish. If share isn't available and you can use a PC, enable USB debugging and use ADB or check your Google account synced networks on another device. This can recover saved Wi-Fi entries. If the password fails to display, restart the phone, update system software, and re-authenticate the lock screen. Sometimes authentication glitches block share. Finally, if nothing works, contact the router owner or log into the router admin to see or reset the Wi-Fi password. That avoids unsafe routing steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.